Today, I want to tell you about another service that McCrane Associates provides to small business owners. So, you may not be aware of this, or maybe you know some of this. As a business, there are tax deductions that are available to you that are not available to the average wage earner. So, someone who's earning a W 2 income from working for somebody else's business. As the business owner, the business allows different tax deductions. They they can spend money on expenses that other people can't. So the average wage earner, you're probably aware, they earn their money, they have to pay their taxes, and then they get to spend whatever's left over. Now, in a business, it's different. Businesses earn their money, they spend whatever they want to, and then they pay taxes on whatever's left over. That's their profit. Now, you might say, well, that's not fair. The tax code isn't fair to wage earners versus business owners. Maybe. There are lots of things that if we try to compare apples to oranges in the tax code, that we could say that's not really fair. The tax code really is an incentive program. Think of it this way: there are rules for business owners because Congress wants people to start businesses and to run businesses. It's in the best interest of the company or the country, rather, for small business owners to start and run businesses. Small businesses make up 50 to 65% of our national economy, depending on which research article you read. Small businesses are the ones that actually create jobs. Small businesses contribute to our economy and our communities in ways that large corporations can't. So, Congress wants to provide incentives to small business owners to start and run businesses, and they do so by providing tax breaks. Now, setting up your business to function in the correct way makes sure that you can maximize the tax deductions that you get to take. So, for example, if you are, let's say you're some kind of an agent out there, agents get paid a 1099 income from their broker. And actually, agents are small business owners. Did you know that? You are a sole proprietor business owner if you are earning 1099 income as some kind of an agent, whether that's real estate agent, insurance agent, all kinds of different agent capacities out there. So, setting yourself up as an actual business means you can take advantage of more tax reduction strategies than if you were just simply a sole proprietor. But you want to know where magic can actually happen? It's when you actually have more than one business who do business with each other. Let me give you an example. Say you own a manufacturing company and you manufacture widgets, and there are nuts and bolts that go into creating your widget. So one of these days, you run across this idea, you come to the realization that you're paying the nuts and bolts company to buy the nuts and bolts to go into your widget. And what if you owned the nuts and bolts company? So your manufacturing company now would buy nuts and bolts from your nuts and bolts company, and you sell the nuts and bolts to your manufacturing company. Can you see how there could be some very advantageous transactions that could occur between those two companies? Now, the important thing is you have to make sure that the two companies are actually two separate companies doing business with each other. You can't just move money around any old way you want to. That's called embezzlement. But there are some advantages to having more than one business that do business with each other. And that's something that McCrane Associates can advise on and help you to figure out. So, if that's something you'd like to learn more about how to reduce taxes by structuring your business properly, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Just say, hey, that's me, or something like that. I'll get the notification that you left a comment and I can reach out. We can have a conversation about how you can reduce taxes in your business. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and sign off here. Everybody have a great weekend.